Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows was unable to get a list of devices from Windows Update, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So I checked for the solution across the internet, and one confirmed solution was to delete the contents of the software distribution and cat-root 2 folders. But I have a better thing. So we have a script to reset Windows Update components. I will share this script with you in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste this command line here and wait for a while. It will do its job. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the profile, then it will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat-root 2 folders, then it will re-register the DLLs. Then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.